We put so much effort, time, and money in creating perfect ad for our business. But once we start running them, we don't get the desired result. We are getting only two conversions, three conversions, four conversions. But after that, it keep on dying. We all come in these situations multiple times when we are running ads on Facebook. What if I tell you a way to clone your existing customers into finding new customers? You heard it right. This is the power of Facebook lookalike audiences. There is a narrative going on YouTube regarding lookalike that these are not working, and these are people should not go for the lookalike audience, but they are not giving the exact customer to the Facebook audiences, right? They are putting efforts on different sources, but they are not working on creating a source that is so much powerful you cannot compete with that. So in this video I am going to tell you how to set up perfect lookalike audience for your business. For those who are new to my channel, my name is Divyang and I am running Facebook ads from 2020 and able to generate more than 37 million in revenue for my clients. So for those who wish to work with me or want me to run ads for their business, they can reach out to me using the link in descriptions. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. I want you to copy my exact strategy that I am going to show you and put it in the work from today only. Trust me guys, if you do it, and you will see the crazy amount of results. Facebook has given us so much uh, powerful tools that we don't use them properly and then we complain about it. So it's a request from my side. Just put this strategy into your ad accounts and see the crazy amount of results you will get. Let's jump into screen. Now here you are in my ad account. So I am using this ad account to just show you how to create the lookalike audiences. Right? Just hop into your ads manager and go to the audience section. Click the create audience section. Go to lookalike audiences. Now here is the thing. Here people choose different sources for lookalike, like customer information. They can upload your customer list, who are your previous. You can upload your customer list here. You can upload you can choose purchase 180 as a web from the website source here, right? Add to carts, social media engagers, right? But I want you to use this source, that is pixel. Choose your pixel, right? Here you will see the uh, conversion values over here. As you can see, Facebook will tell you how much they have fetched so far. We have received 633 purchase event that contain value from your pixel in the past 60 days. First of all, you need to have 100 events to launch this or to create this, but we have surpassed this number, so we can create this audiences. Choose your current exact location, United States. Hit the United States. I wanted to do to select this number as the 5, right, and create 10 audiences like 0 to 1, 1 to 2%, 2 to 3%, 3 to 4, 5 to, and so on till 10%. Right, you need to perform this action 2 times so that you can create 10 audiences. Right now there is option is of 6. You can create only 6 audience in single attempt, but to know the exact number, you can just start creating 5, right, and hit the create audience 5. Right, again go to lookalike, choose pixel. Automatically it will fetch all the values. Choose the location, right, drag this to 5 to 6%. Again create the 5 audiences: 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, and 9 to 10. Now you have 10 audiences. Now I will show you how to use these audiences to make best out of this lookalike audiences. Now I'll just show you how to implement those audiences. uh, Hit the create button, go to sales campaign, Choose manual setup, manual sales campaign to get the better control of your ad. Start naming. Naming is really important to streamline all your data. And I don't know why people just ignore this, but you always name your campaigns. Lookalike sales campaign. Now go to ad set, switch to original audiences, choose your correct states, because you have created lookalike audience in particular location, particular country, so always opt for those. Right, correct pixel, correct events. And now you have to choose lookalike audience from here. That's it, automatic placement, everything is good. You don't have to be gender specific, as Facebook will automatically fetch all the have already fetch your relevant customer from pixel, and Facebook knows more about your customer than us. So just keep everything nice and clean. I'll just delete the ad for the time being. Now you have one audiences. I want you to test all the audiences. Create 9 copies of this. Yeah, you have now 10 ads. We have also 10 audiences to test out our strategy, and name them. Just people always create mess around in naming, and they always feel like why the ads are not working, because you cannot see the data clearly. That is the reason most of the people fail in ads, in Facebook ads, because they cannot name it and they cannot see the data properly. As you can see how beautiful or organized this look. Like, you now what you need to do is you need to put your bestseller or winning creative in this audience, right? Like, if you want to test out new ad creatives, you can do that, also. But after running those ads, you will see all the numbers clearly. You will have very great amount of data in front of you. If you let these run for 5 to 6 days, you will have clear amount of data, what audience is performing, which percentage is working for you. From there you can test out multiple audiences. You don't have to use CBO. Sorry, I'll just remove the CBO. You don't want to put CBO here. We want to test out each and individual audiences with the budget, with the correct budget. We want to that audience to spend that budget we have allocated, so that we have the clear data around which percentage is working for us and which is not. So that is a strategy. Use the pixel, so pixel as a source, you will have the values in that. From there, create 10 ad sets for to test out. Right, one more thing, if you have very complicated product or very difficult product, or you need little bit more convincing, you can create a broader percentage of audiences, that is 0 to 5% and 5 to 10%. Like, you can go to 0 to 3, 3 to 5, and 5 to 7, and 7 to 10. So will have 4 audiences to test out these things also. But if you have very generic stuff like normal selling product, then just test out these things, and yeah, good to go. The whole thing about lookalike to work is to provide the correct source. People don't able to put the correct source in the lookalike, and then they complain about that lookalike audiences are not working. So here's the truth: put the correct source in the lookalike audience, and use it to create multiple audiences from there. I hope you like this video, and if you have any doubt regarding this, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.